Welcome to the daily message for this fourth Sunday in Ordinary Time. My reflection today is about the responsorial psalm, and in particular the refrain of the responsorial psalm from today's liturgy. It says, "If today you hear his voice, harden not your hearts." Of course, in this psalm, his voice refers to the voice of God. My contention is we will hear the voice of God today. And I say that because God speaks through us all. And so we might hear the voice of God today in someone who is a friend or someone who's not. We might hear the voice of God from someone who looks like us. Then again, we might hear the voice of God from someone who doesn't look like us, or act like us, or think like us. We might hear the voice of God from an elected official who shares our point of view, or from one who does not. We might hear the voice of God from a Christian, a Catholic, or we might hear the voice of God from someone who is not. We will hear the voice of God today. We are called upon to not harden our hearts. We're called upon today and every day to listen carefully for the voice of God with an open mind and an open heart. I hope you have a safe, healthy, restful, happy Sunday. Thank you so much for sharing the daily message with me.